Hello, kiddos! Redneck Professor here, along with my trusty sidekick, Redneck Junior. Don't mind him, he ain't trying to be rude, he just got that Q-tip in his mouth, that's why I can't say hello proper. What we're going to do today is what's called a buccal swab. We're going to see if we can get some cells out of the inside of our mouths and stain them so we can see them under the microscope here. So, you ready? You ready? Alright, that's what I want you to do. Alright. You ready? Take a Q-tip out. Hang on. Don't smear it. What you want to do is kind of roll it out like that.
Why's your yellow?
You see how I'm rolling it out? You remember when we did the bacterial swab? And we just smeared it? You know why we can smear bacteria? Because they got a cell wall. And that cell wall makes them strong and gives them support. But see, your body cells, your somatic cells, these kind of cells here that are called epithelial cells, they don't have a cell wall. They got a cell membrane. And it's all fluid and gooey, made up of a phospholipid bilayer. So you don't want to smear them because then your cells just look like smears, not cells. That's why we don't want to smear them.
I don't see anything.
You don't see anything? You gotta, here, let me see it. Take it and roll it like that. Put a little pressure behind it, not much, but a little bit. Go ahead. That's why you're not doing it. You gotta hold it in your hands like this. Look. Move your fingers like this. There you go. Now, there you go. Now you're getting it. Now you're getting it.
There.
Alright, you see where the cells are?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, what I want you to do is take some of this here methylene blue. That's why you're wearing a lab coat.
I'm going to stain myself.
Just put a couple of drops of that methylene blue.
How many?
3 or 4 ought to do it.
I'm going to put
Alright.
that is a lot. That's black, not blue.
Now, very carefully.
Smear around.
Nope. I got a cover slip here for you. What I want you to do is stand that cover slip up like that. You see? And then just lay it over. Just like that.
Looks black now.
It looks black now. We're gonna fix that.
So like that.
On the stain. Get it onto the stain. Now just lay it over. There you go. Alright. Take one.
I know. What do I do with this stick? What do I do with this stick?
Can you set the DI water right here, please? There you go. Somewhere where we can both reach it. I don't put that in there. I'm going to contaminate my DI water. Alright. I'm going to take and get a drop of water. Okay. You don't have to get much. That's good. Now, just squeeze it. Look, watch what I'm doing. Don't rush ahead. Wait for instructions.
I'm not!
Don't think for yourself. You won't be able to grow up to be a mindless automaton if you do. Alright. Go to one side of the slide. Over here. And just squirt a little bit of the water. Like that. Just like that. Okay?
No, the water turning like blue.
Well, you're not supposed to draw in. You're supposed to suck out. Here you go. Now you take you a piece of... Take you a piece of napkin. Set it on the other side. So that it draws the water through. You need a little more water on there. You ain't quite got enough just yet. There you go. Now, set that on the other side. and just let it absorb.
Whoa.
Now this is what we call a wet mount.
Wet mount?
A wet mount slide. That's what we've created here. And now, if we've done it right, we ought to be able to see our cells up under the microscope. So let's see if we can see anything.
It's not squirting anymore.
Well, that's because it's out of water. What? I want 400.
600.
And focus there. Now let's see if I can find some cells. Looky there, looky there.
What? What looky there, looky there?
I'm looking for some cells. Looking. This is taking too long, son. There's some cells. Alright, there we go. Now if you look here, which one of these? It's this one here. See, this is why I usually preload the slides onto the thing. Right there where the pointer is pointing. See if you can see something looks like a fried egg. You see something looks like a fried egg?
No.
You don't see a blue egg that looks fried?
I do.
You do? You know what that is?
Cell.
That's one of my cells. One of my very own cells.
No,
Come out of my mouth. Let's see if we can show the viewers. Probably not going to show up. Probably not. Where is the thing? Oh, here. I need to go over here to this side. This video ain't going to turn out like I want it to, son.
What is it gonna turn out like?
Oh well, you just got to take my word for it. We got our cells stained.